All right, I have arrived at my rental house and we're getting ready to go in for the first time. Let's see what it looks like. This could be scary. Adele's with me. Okay. Whoa. Oh, it smells. Some garbage. Okay. Oh. Oh, some cat boxes. Oh, lots of old cat litter.
Even cat throw up.
Oh, cat throw up. Great. Okay, the kitchen isn't too bad.
Yeah.
Some of it's looking better. Okay. Oh, laundry room, not so good. Ugh. Oh. Okay. Lots. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what is that bucket? That is upside down. Oh my God, look at the carpet. Okay. Okay. Needs lots of cleaning. Oh, lots of cleaning. Oh, the bathroom is dirty.
There's so much trash.
So much trash. Okay. We're gonna be cleaning for several days. And, okay. All right, we're at the end of day one, getting cleaned up. Man, exhausting. I work super fast when I do that kind of stuff and burn tons of calories. So I have a hard time like stopping and eating a really large meal. But I'm gonna try to cook a nice supper tonight so I can refuel for tomorrow and continue on our work. I would say I'm like 60% done just cleaning in the house, but not like actually fixing more stuff, painting, repairs, nothing like that, just cleaning. So hopefully we can finish it tomorrow and then get to the other stuff. Yeah, when I do these kind of things, I don't even look at the clock or anything. And I don't worry about what time it is when I go to bed. Like, oh, it's so early. No, I just go to bed. I get up early. I start refueling. That's my biggest thing is I need a lot of calories. And with not eating wheat, being like gluten-free, I don't eat a whole lot of nuts. So I do eat, chicken and turkey, but those just don't have much calories. Beef wasn't recommended for me to eat. It doesn't digest well. So it's hard to get enough calories to fuel myself. So I know I almost always will drop weight when I do these kind of things where I'm just go, gotta get something done, moving. Now it is doing this house and getting it ready to go on the market, cleaning it, repairing it, finishing it, and getting it up for sale. All right, so we will see you in the next day when we continue this project. All right, we're getting pretty close to being done. Got a little bit of my cleaning stuff, construction stuff, more floor cleaning, and this room is empty. Got a little bit of trim there. Kitchen is getting pretty good. Remember this room? Way better. This room, much better. Remember? Gonna hang a door. Bathroom, much better. All right, good morning. It is day 3 or 4. What is today? Today's Tuesday. I got here Saturday morning. I finished 3 days now here in Missouri cleaning, and it's starting to look pretty good. And last night we went to Menards and bought supplies, and anytime I buy stuff, I am ready to use it. And that kind of gives me this renewed sense of energy to keep going, because I'm actually seeing progress. When I first got here, it was pretty overwhelming, and it looked like a month's worth of work that I was going to try to do in 1 week or less. Yeah, less. More like 5 or 6 days. But it's starting to look pretty good, and we'll see how today goes. Day number 4, I should be done cleaning everything, and that includes like the outside of the house, the siding, and on to the repairs. So this was a foreclosure house that I bought almost 2 years ago, and fixed a whole bunch of stuff because it was trashed. I mean, it was literally trashed, and the doors were left wide open, and people went in there and took every fixture. There was nothing on the floor. There was no doorknobs. There was no lights, no mirrors. And the kitchen was trashed. The bathroom was half there. And anyway, been slowly fixing it and planning on selling it. And not being in the rental business, I like fixing them and making them nice and selling the house to somebody that will appreciate the house and continue to fix it up. So it's a lot different being back here in Missouri. Adele and I have had puffy eyes like every day because of all of the pollen. We're not used to the amount of pollen again. It is ragweed season. It's like pollen season here. And my eyes have been itchy and puffy, and so has hers. And she's normally not bothered by it as much. But coming from like clear air, mountain air, and then down all this pollen, we're really struggling. And I've sneezed a bunch. So, back to... All right, another day is done. I am nearing the end and starting to get to the finish work. Most of the repairs are all done, and touch-ups and painting and whatnot tomorrow. I'm exhausted and just have still so many things on my mind that I need to work on. But I'm gonna get up in my bed here. I've been using my van, the space underneath, to haul things and a trailer behind. But I have been sleeping really well in my van, and I don't even care that it's unlevel at all. It doesn't matter. I sleep all night and getting up at about 5 or 6, which is 4 or 5 my regular time. But so one more day, and I should have all the repairs done and be able to pack up some things and do a few other things I gotta do here. All right, good night. Final day, finishing up. Clean up, minor repairs, and touch up and stuff. Just last minute painting now. Almost done.